How to buy Arnold. Arnold token crypto coin. How to buy LBANK Solana Raydium Meet Boys Club MEMECOIN SOL meme. How to buy Arnold token. Arnold. Step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, Logan here. Back with an exciting update about the Arnold token. Arnold. This meme coin, built on the Solana blockchain, just got listed on LBank, and it's already showing impressive growth, up 56% today. Let's dive into the details of the Arnold token, how you can get it, and why it's causing such a stir. What is Arnold token? Arnold token, Arnold, is a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, designed to tap into the huge community around Arnold, a viral influencer and meme phenomenon. Here's what sets Arnold token apart. Community-driven. Arnold token isn't just another meme coin. It's about uniting Arnold's massive following across social media platforms, including 3.84 million YouTube subscribers and 300,000 Instagram followers. Fun and engaging. Arnold is known for his humor, positive vibes, and large social media presence. The token provides fans with exclusive content, giveaways, and rewards. Purpose: it's more than just a joke. Arnold token aims to bring a community together in the decentralized space, allowing holders to engage in fun activities while being rewarded. Tokenomics. Total supply: 1 billion tokens. Blockchain: Solana, chosen for its scalability and eco-friendly attributes. 24-hour trading volume: around $877,000. Market cap: $2.3 million. Liquidity on Raydium: $24,000, 100% locked and burned. How to buy Arnold token. Arnold. Option 1. Buy on centralized exchange, LBank. Arnold token was recently listed on LBank on January 14th, and here's how you can buy it on the exchange. Create an LBank account. Download the LBank app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or you can sign up through their website. Deposit funds. Fund your account with USDT, Tether, or another supported currency. Search for Arnold token. Go to the trade section and search for Arnold. Make sure you're using the correct token name as it's listed under Arnold with a 0 instead of an O. Place your order. Choose the type of order you'd like to place, market, or limit, and buy the Arnold token at your desired price. Confirm purchase. After reviewing the order, confirm it, and your Arnold tokens will be in your LBank wallet. Option 2. Buy on decentralized exchange, Raydium. If you prefer a decentralized route and don't want to use a centralized exchange like LBank, you can buy Arnold token using Raydium, a Solana-based DEX. Here's how. Set up a Solana-compatible wallet. You need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, such as Solflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask, with Solana network support. Download your wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or add it as a Chrome extension on your PC. Fund your wallet. Deposit SOL, Solana, into your wallet. You can get SOL from centralized exchanges and transfer it to your wallet. Go to Raydium. Use your wallet's dApp browser and find Raydium. Raydium is a decentralized exchange that supports Solana-based tokens. Find the Arnold token. Search for Arnold token using the contract address found on their Twitter, @MeetArnold, or their official website, meetarnold.xyz. Swap SOL for Arnold tokens. Use SOL to swap for Arnold tokens. Make sure to use the correct contract address to avoid buying the wrong token. Confirm the transaction. After reviewing the transaction, confirm the swap, and the Arnold tokens will appear in your wallet. Why Arnold token is unique. Huge social media presence. Arnold has over 3.8 million subscribers on YouTube and 300,000 followers on Instagram. This is a great community for meme lovers and crypto enthusiasts. Meme coin with a purpose. While many meme coins come and go, Arnold coin is a community-driven project with a clear focus on engagement, rewards, and fun. It's all about building a positive and energetic vibe with Arnold at the center. Fast, scalable blockchain. The token is built on the Solana blockchain, making it eco-friendly, fast, and scalable, ensuring the project can grow without slowing down. Roadmap for Arnold coin. Q1 2024. Coin launch and exchange listings. Q2 2024. Staking and rewards, giveaways, and contests. Q3 2024. NFT launch, charity partnerships, global meme challenge. Q4 2024. dApp launch, cross-chain fund, and meme lords unite. Final thoughts. The Arnold token, Arnold, is a fun and exciting project in the meme coin space with a large, engaged following. With a solid presence on social media and an impressive 56% increase in value today, Arnold token is gaining attention fast. If you're looking for a meme coin with strong community support and an influencer-driven narrative, Arnold token might be worth checking out. As always, do your own research, DYOR, and remember that cryptocurrency can be volatile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on Arnold token and whether you think it's a good investment. Peace out.